Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I went to CVS to get some stuff because I have an $8 coupon and I got my package which I ordered from Hot Topic. We're gonna unbox it. It's so funny because the delivery guy knocked on my door again to take another picture because he forgot to scan the thing, the tracking, whatever. I didn't even get any notification that they're delivering it or they mailed it already, but this was fast. I think I ordered this few days ago. So I'm opening the box now. I think I ordered 4 items. Let's see. Yeah, 4 items. They gave me a $25 off on my next purchase. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to use that one. So first thing I see is these earrings that I got. I don't know if they show the price here. I think this is $13. Is it? Oh, this is the price. No, this is, yeah, $12.99, so $13. Let's open it. It's an earrings. Oh. It's like a book of Nightmare Before Christmas. I don't know if you could open it. No, you cannot open it. Because I have earrings like this. It's a coffin, and then when you open it, there's a skull inside. So yeah, this is $13. I'm not gonna put it in the bag. I'm gonna use it tonight. And then second item is this. What is this? I don't know which one is this. I think this is $31. I got it because it's purple and black. Two of my favorite color. I wish Sally's not there, but what can I do? See, it's so nice. So I got that one. It's not sleeveless. It got us another sleeves on this over here. And my asset is my shoulder because it's wide. See, as you can see, I'm wearing black, anything with purple. And then the second one, I believe, is $43. This is the shoes. It's a Mary Jane. This is heavy. It's a black and white Mary Jane. I wish I could wear this to work. This is Jack, by the way. Isn't it cool? And there's a bow over there. Nice. Love. And last item is this bag, which I believe is $50, $50. Nothing was on sale here. But me, when it comes to Jack, I don't care. Oh my god, this is so cute. They have another bag, but I really don't like the style. This one is a heart, and it's Jack. Ah! Sally's there. No! No! So there. It's okay. What's the point of having a heart if you don't have the one that make it beat, right? Oh well. That's my haul from Hot Topic. And then I got the CVS haul. Most of them are from W8. Yeah, let me see the prices here. Okay, first I got this eyeshadow from Wet n Wild, which is $6.99. This is the only one I saw. I know they have a few, but it's the only one that's there. Where is it? Oh, here. It's the Fantasy Maker limited edition. That's the only shade I saw. And thank God it's sealed. Let me open it. Oh my God, how do you open this thing? Let me open this. This is... I want to go to Walmart because I know Walmart usually have it. Because CVS, it's a little pricey. Plus, it's not there anymore. Because when you open the door and on the side, you're going to see this. So, of course, that's the first thing people can see. Oh my God, it's so hard to open it. I'm scared to cut myself. How do you open this thing? What the hell? Hold on, okay? Because I'm scared to cut myself. Wow, this is really sealed. It won't let me open it. Hold on. I better not break it or I'll kill myself. There, almost. Few more. There. I've seen it before. They have palette like this. It's not something special, you know. I mean, they've done that in the past. And I got this blush for $6.99 each. You know what? I used to take out all these stickers right here. But I don't care anymore because it's just gonna make it sticky. I got 3 of them. This is the W7, not W8. W7 Candy Blush. This is in the shade Scandal. It's like a coral color. Yeah. Because the case is peach, but it looks pink. But it's nice. Or either coral or bright pink. And then... Oh my God, my leg hurts. Hold on. The other shade is called Galactic. This I sealed. Thank God. Oh, it's a peach color. Nice. And last shade is... They have a lot of this. I don't think a lot of people like this shade. This is Gossip. Ow, my legs. Oh my God. I got cramp. Oh, that is a lot. Almost the same, if you notice. Do you see a difference? Let's see the difference. The other one that I showed you is a little... The Galactic one is a little peachy. But this one is a little brownish. Like a brownish pink, whatever. I don't know, it's hard to explain. Oh, my legs. Oh my God, I'm gonna die. And then I got this. Ooh, it's... Oh. What? Oh, the magic blush is $6. $6.99. Okay. Hold on. This one is not. This is what the hell? $3.39. It's less than $5. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. And then I saw this LA color magic blush. It's beautifully bewitched. pH reactive moisturizing blush. You know, like it looks like that. It's like a balm. But when you do that, it's gonna turn most likely red. That one is $6.99. And then I got this. Where's the fucking lipstick? The lipstick is $4.39. I got 2 shades. The other one is called Gossip. And it looks like this. Oh my. This is really dark, like plum brown. Which I don't mind. You know, with 80s we love browns. And the other shade is Service. It looks like this. Nice. Love this color. It's like a terracotta color. It's not matte. I think it's satin. That's what it says over there. And then I got this Hollywood Bronzing Glow. How much is this one? This is $4.39. It's very affordable. Especially getting it from CVS. Because CVS is a little pricey. Because if you get it somewhere else, I bet you it's cheaper. Now do you open this? It's really gloomy today. It's been raining since last night. That's the shade. I like this one because it's not too dark. You can always build it up. The other one is highlighter. I get it why it stars because it's Hollywood. And I got 2 eyeshadow palette. The other one is not $10.99. This is the W7 Influence. And it got a brush that comes with it. See? It's so similar to the one, the Patrick Ta. The one they said it's due for. I think Makeup Revolution have those. But only few shades. This one have more shades. You got, because they also get this they also have that 2 cream. See, it's creamy. I think it's a base. What do you call that? They just have number. But I'm pretty sure it's either an eyeliner or a base. And then those are the shades. I love it. Very wearable. And last item that I got is a bigger palette, which is $15.79. Those are the original price, but I got discount from it because of my coupon. Let me see what I can get next. Candy, allergy, colds, pain reliever. Just gonna save the $4 off. Hold on, I forgot my coupon. Yeah, I'm saving my $4 off next time. I don't need the allergy, pain reliever, whatever discount whatsoever. Anyway, the last one is this. The Warm Up, the Hottest Nude, 40 Press Pigment. Oh, beautiful. They have more of these. I just hate it because there's more shimmer than matte. If you're into shimmery, you will love it. If you're into shimmery colors. See? There's more shimmer than matte. But I like it because it's very fall-like palette. So anyway, that's all my haul. And thank you again for watching. And please like, share, and subscribe. And also, it's gonna be my birthday in 2 weeks. And I'm gonna start doing makeup for Halloween. I'll be posting videos and you're gonna be seeing it. I'm gonna upload it. I'm just saving everything first, so I can just, keep on uploading. And I hope you guys still continue to support. Please like, share, and subscribe. And peace out.